A warm good morning to all the students of class 10. I'm here to teach you biology. I've been told that so far till chapter 5 the syllabus has been completed, and we need to start the new chapter, that is chapter 6, photosynthesis. Without any delay, let's start this chapter. About photosynthesis, you have been learning right from the junior classes, but in class 10 so many new things again you need to learn, that will be learning one by one. So if you see the term photosynthesis, you can see here that it is a combination of two words. The first one is photo, and then next comes synthesis. Photo literally means light, and synthesis literally means production. So we can say that photosynthesis literally means it is the production of something by using light. Now, how to define this photosynthesis? Photosynthesis can be defined by saying that it is an anabolic process. As I am using the word anabolic process, you must understand what is meant by the term anabolism or anabolic process. See, anabolic process, all the life activities, whether it is digestion, whether it is respiration, whether it is photosynthesis, all these life activities which usually occurs in the body of living organism, they are all together called as the metabolic activities or metabolism. As you can see in the blackboard also, on the blackboard also, these metabolic activities or metabolism can be further classified into two different groups, that is anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism are those metabolic activities in which simpler molecules, as you can see in case of, as you might have learned in case of photosynthesis in junior classes, that the simpler molecules like carbon dioxide, water, both of them combine and thereby they form the complex molecule like glucose. So those metabolic activities in which simpler molecules combine and forms the complex molecule, they are all considered as the anabolism or anabolic activities. And then in respiration also, you might have learned in junior classes. In respiration, the glucose molecule, they break down and thereby they form the simpler molecules like carbon dioxide and water. Just opposite of anabolism. So in catabolism, what we see is that the complex molecule breaks down and thereby they form the simpler molecule like carbon dioxide and water. So that is why they are called as the catabolism. And then now let's come back to the same topic. Photosynthesis is defined as an anabolic process during which carbon dioxide, water are utilized in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll pigments to produce the substances like glucose or food molecules with the inclusion of oxygen gas. So once again, photosynthesis is an anabolic process during which carbon dioxide and water are utilized, and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll pigment, the glucose molecule with the inclusion of oxygen gas is produced. Now the next thing which you need to remember here is about the balanced chemical equation of photosynthesis. The balanced chemical equation of photosynthesis is, in case of photosynthesis, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide combines with 12 molecules of water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll pigment. Chlorophyll pigment, a single molecule of glucose, that is C6H12O6 with the inclusion of and with the production of 6 molecules of water and 6 molecules of oxygen are produced. So just now I have written here the balanced chemical equation. In balance, like how to write 6 molecules of carbon dioxide combines with 12 molecules of water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll pigments. They produce a single molecule of glucose with the inclusion of 6 molecules of water and oxygen gas. Now after this, After learning the balanced chemical equation, the next topic which we need to learn here is importance of photosynthesis. Importance of photosynthesis. In what ways the process called photosynthesis is useful to us? The first thing, the first importance of photosynthesis is that it is a process which provides food for all the living organisms. Directly or indirectly, the living organism depends on the process called photosynthesis for their food. So we can write in brief way, provides food for all. Then the second point which we can include here is that it is only the process by which the solar energy that comes from the sun is trapped. There is no other process. There is no other metabolic activities by which solar energy is trapped. So it is the only process. It is the only process which has to trap solar energy. To trap solar energy. And then the third point which we can include here is that it is the only process by which oxygen is produced. So, or you can write provides oxygen. Provides oxygen. This oxygen is very much important for the respiration. So, provides oxygen for respiration. For respiration. And the last fourth point we can include here is that the process of photosynthesis helps in cleaning the environment. Now, how it cleans the environment? As we know that during photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is utilized, and thus it helps in cleaning the environment. So, we can include here that helps in cleaning environment. In cleaning environment by utilizing carbon dioxide. So there are 4 points which I have mentioned under the topic importance of photosynthesis. Why photosynthesis is important to us? The first thing is that it provides food for all the living organisms. Then again, next is that it is only the process by which solar energy is trapped. And the third one is it provides oxygen for respiration. And then next is it helps in cleaning the environment by utilizing carbon dioxide.